In order to improve your chances of getting a raise now or in the future, it's important to set goals for professional improvement. In this extension, you will set goals, then use data validation and conditional formatting in Google Sheets to track your progress. To start, open a new tab in your browser and open Google Drive. Create a new blank spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Name it Goal Setting and Tracking. Next, create a column heading for your goals and another for your progress. Bold your column headings to make them stand out. Adjust the width of the columns to make your spreadsheet easier to read. In your Goals column, list things you can do to improve your work performance or gain new skills and qualifications. These might include taking classes, getting training, going to a conference, trade show, or regional meeting, or reading or listening to a book to improve job skills. These goals are just examples. Type in goals that fit with your work and what you hope to achieve. In the Progress column, create a drop-down menu to track your progress towards these goals. Select the cells in the Progress column for your entire list of goals. Then use data validation to create a menu that contains a list of items. In your list, you might include whether you have started a goal, how close to finishing it you are, or whether you completed it. Save your data validation. Use the drop-down menu to track how close you are to completing your goals. Some goals might be smaller daily habits that will help you become a more valuable employee or manage your day better. Leave 2 blank rows, then type daily goals in the first column. In the row above, type in dates you will work on these daily goals. Format the rows as dates. Freeze the far left column so it stays visible as you scroll across your sheet. Each day you meet your daily goal, place an X in the cell under the correct date, so you can see progress and stay motivated to continue. Next, use conditional formatting to show progress visually. Conditional formatting changes the look of spreadsheet cells if a condition is met. Insert conditional formatting in the cells where you mark daily progress. In this case, the condition is that the text in the cell contains an X, and the formatting is that the cell turns green. Place another X under a date in your spreadsheet. You are rewarded with a green box for meeting your goal. Now, it's your turn. Create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Add column headings. List professional goals. Use conditional formatting to track progress. List daily goals and enter dates you will work on them. Add X's when you meet your goals, and use conditional formatting to track progress visually.